Is your appliance broken? Need a reliable technician? Introducing your local appliance repair solution. We have local repair technicians standing by in your city. Is your refrigerator leaking? No problem. We can fix while saving you money too, with a free service call with repair. So why us? How about licensed and insured? 100% satisfaction guaranteed. Trucks stocked with the parts you need. We repair all appliance brands. Technicians close by for same-day service. 5-star reviews all around the web. Refrigerator repair, washer repair, dryer repair. We do it all and better than anyone else. We are the highest rated appliance repair company, hands down. Just look what our happy customers are saying about us. These guys are crazy fast. I didn't have to wait weeks for my part. Give us a call today. We are standing by.